Here's how to fix DISM RestoreHealth scan stuck at 62.3%. First, close the current command prompt window. Then, open the Start menu, search for CMD, and right-click Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Once the elevated command prompt opens, we're going to restart several Windows services. Start by entering netstart bits and press Enter. Then type netstart DOSVC and press Enter. Then type netstart USOSVC and press Enter. After that, type netstart trusted installer and press Enter. Finally, type netstart WUA user V and press Enter. Once you run all 5 commands, try running the DISM cleanup image command again and check whether it can now progress past 62.3%. If the command is still stuck, there's another quick method you can try. Press the escape key twice on your keyboard. After doing that, run the DISM command again and check whether the process continues normally. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.